Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to track your weight in the MyFitnessPal food tracker app. So if you want to track your weight, so it works in the app, so it corresponds with the other features. What you're gonna do is just scroll down a little in the dashboard. You can find the dashboard on the bottom left. Then just scroll down a little to weight and press the plus icon. And here you're going to add the weight that you are on currently and the date that you have tracked this. So for example, today. You can also add a progress photo if you want that. Just take a photo of yourself and add it, and it will be saved. And after you've done that, just press the checkmark icon. And there you go, it's gonna say you did it, you're at whatever percent goal if you've actually gained some weight. So this is what it's gonna look like. I mean, this isn't really accurate. It might probably not say 449%, but I'm gonna press not now. And here, if you go to the weight tab, you can just press on not the plus icon, just on the weight tab itself. You will see this little graph that shows you how you've progressed. So for example, this is the first entry. All of the entries are going to be down here. So Wednesday, Sunday, and these aren't really accurate. They might not look like this for you, but you can also change like since starting weight to see how you've progressed. You can also measure like steps. You can measure neck, waist, and just stuff like that you've tracked through the app. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.